Hey y'all, Dennis, got something new we're gonna do today, and that is we're gonna smoke some doves. So I got 18 doves over here. They're finishing thawing out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some SPG on them, wrap them in bacon, slap a piece of jalapeno on there, hold it all together with a toothpick or two, and then we're gonna smoke them on the big green egg for about an hour or 165 degrees. Anyway, let's get them ready. Okay, so there's our doves. I took some bacon, sliced it in half. Now we're going to take our salt, pepper, and garlic blend, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on here. Flip them around so I get a little bit on all sides. I don't want to go real heavy with it because this isn't a lot of meat. All right, that's enough of that. Now what we're going to do, get my toothpicks up here on the cutting board. That way I can slide them and get to them. Forgot to get my jalapenos. Be right back. Okay, now I got my jalapeno. So I'm just take a piece of bacon and wrap it all the way around like that. Then I'm going to take me a piece of jalapeno and pin that to the dove with a toothpick. And that's what we got. All right, so let me get all of them fixed up, and I'll be right back. All right, so we've got them all made up. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit more just over the top, just on top of the bacon, not gonna flip them or turn them or anything. Now I'm gonna let them sit for about an hour, hour and a half, and then we're gonna put them on the grill. We're gonna cook them at about 250 degrees. I'll see y'all in a bit. Okay, we've got the green egg at 250 degrees. So let's go ahead and put our dove breasts on here. And we're gonna let them cook. Probably it's gonna take about an hour. We're going to 165 internal. And I got a feeling these are gonna be pretty daggone good. Really on this cook, by the time the bacon gets where we want it, they're probably gonna be done. That's just how it goes when you cook with bacon. Because you want the bacon to be the way you want the bacon. I like mine a little crispy. Some people do, some people don't. So like I said, the key is cook it till the bacon is how you want it. All right, and that is all 18 of them on there. Okay, so we're gonna let those things cook. See y'all in a bit. Okay, we're about an hour and 5 minutes in. I don't know if I mentioned this or not earlier, but I did use some apple wood to put some smoke on here. And we are really close on temperature. I'd like bacon to be a little bit more crispy, but that one didn't look right. Yeah, that one was temping at 140. I don't know what in the world I was getting into, but I wasn't getting into the meat. Yeah, these are just about done. I think because of the way I like the bacon, I'm gonna leave them go for about 10 more minutes, and then we'll pull them, see what it tastes like. I kind of like the jalapeno on there. I'm hoping that's gonna taste pretty good. Looks like I lost one though. All right, so let's shut it down and let it finish. All right, so they've been on for right at about an hour and 15 minutes. I did jack the temperature up to 300 just because I wanted to crisp up my bacon a little bit. Let me go ahead and tempt the problem child that we had here earlier that scared me. Let's see. Oh yeah, he's good. Figured it might be. So let me pull these off of here. I'm gonna let them rest for just a few minutes. And then we'll see how we did. I'm actually curious to taste one. They look good. All right, that's what we got. What y'all think? All right, I'm gonna shut down the big green egg and we'll let these rest for just a few minutes and then we're gonna have a taste. See y'all in the house. All right, so I let them rest for a few minutes. Let's see what we got. That's pretty good. I ate my piece of bacon that fell off. Yep. That's good. That's just the right amount of seasoning. Is the jalapeno is good. That's pretty good. I'm gonna have to do this some more. I hadn't cooked these in a long time. I don't think I've ever cooked them on the channel. And see, the channel just turned 4 years old. So I appreciate all y'all that have been watching for the last 4 years. This was actually really, really good. I'm looking forward to doing this again. As usual, I will put the recipe down in the description box. And I mean, it's kind of easy. We just dusted it with SPG and wrapped it with bacon and stuck a jalapeno on top and then put a little bit more SPG on there. And it's pretty good. So I will put that down in the description. Also, I'm gonna put my link to Amazon in the description. If y'all use that link, anything you buy after you use that link, you do really help the channel and we greatly appreciate it. We can use all the help we can get. We're growing, but we're still an itty bitty tiny YouTube channel. So anything that y'all can do to help us, watch the videos, like the videos, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. We'd greatly appreciate that too. So until next time I see y'all at the grill, y'all keep on grilling and go Gamecocks. Tomorrow we got Vandy.